Hey guys, so today we're in the shop. We're going to show you how to make some quick money at a craft show or to make a gift, which makes a great stocking stuffer with your Creality Falcon. So stick around, let me show you how we do this. And you've got your focal distance tool. Cutting is 4 to 6. Cutting thickness back is 6 mil. So we're going to put that under the laser head. Make sure we're right. There we go. Unloosen the pin. That drops it down. Tighten it back up. Pull out your focal distance. Now we've got the right distance. Now let's switch over to the computer. First thing we're going to do is make a rectangle that's 5 inches long, about 1.1, 1.2 inches wide. I just use the rectangle tool. And we're going to change it to line instead of fill. Right there. Let's change our size. Now let's add a little hole. This is for your tassel. I usually go around 0.12, 0.10 up to 0.15. Just depends on your tassel. And then I'm going to highlight both of these and align the vertical. And I'm going to group them together, highlight both of them, and right-click and group. Now we're going to add some text that we want to engrave. I like to read physical books, no audio books or Kindle readers for me. Next thing we're going to do is set our cut and engrave preferences, and we're going to move the engrave above the cut. A lot of times I leave the cut layer off just to make sure I like the engrave. So we'll fast forward, but this took around 3 minutes for the engrave. I was just making sure I like the engraved settings, and now we're going to cut it out. You can see on each end I have a piece of scrap plywood underneath so that you get a cleaner cut on both sides. Also, the air assist is running, so you get a much cleaner cut, a lot less charring. And the cut, I think, was around a minute. So total project time is around 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. This is solid cherry. I mill this up myself out of different woods. These are great craft show sellers. I sell them online. I sell them to some book clubs. If you ever need blanks, reach out to me and I'd be happy to send you some. I use Howard's Feed and Wax and add a tassel and you're ready to sell it or gift it. Thanks for watching.